Hello everyone, I'm Cipulot and this is the EC PCB Calibration Guide. Before you start, it is strongly advised that you flash the latest firmware of your specific PCB. You'll be able to download the file for the firmware in the link in the video description. Once you've built your board, in this case a Realforce R1, go to VIA and click Authorize Device. Then connect to your board. The board should automatically be recognized. If that is not the case, go in the same folder where you found the firmware and download the JSON file. Then go back into VIA and upload it using the Design tab. At that point, connect to the board again and the board should pop up. The first thing that you should do is select the layout options that match your specific board. In my case, I'll select Backspace, Right Shift, ISO, and the bottom row options. Once that is done, go into the EC Tools and Calibration tab. Here you'll find some options. The most important one is the bottoming calibration. It is a toggle switch. If you toggle it on, the board will enter calibration mode. At this point, you can bottom out all the keys so that the board recognizes the calibration. It is important to go through all the keys on your board so that all the keys can be registered correctly. Once you have pressed all the keys, you can toggle off the bottoming calibration. At this point, the board is fully calibrated and it will behave as usual. In the case you're gonna be changing anything about the assembly, such as adding or removing silencing rings, changing domes, or simply opening up the board, it is strongly advised that you go back into the tab and click Clear Bottoming Calibration Data. Once that is done, proceed to calibrate the board once again. That is because any change in the assembly invalidates the previously done calibration. In the next video, we'll cover all the features such as actuation modes and what the sliders actually do. Thanks.